আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করছি আপনারা এবং আপনাদের পরিবার ভালো আছেন। As the global pandemic of COVID-19 unfolds all over the world and in Bangladesh, this is overwhelming for all of us. সবার daily routine disrupt হচ্ছে in one way or another. এই সময় আপনারা সুস্থির থাকবেন, আপনাদের নিজের জন্য, আপনাদের পরিবারের জন্য, আর আমাদের দেশের জন্য। I know যে অনেক রকমের ইনফরমেশন ইন্টারনেট আর সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় সার্কুলেট হচ্ছে। It's really important that we're all educated with the right information. COVID-19 is a strain of the coronavirus known as the novel coronavirus. It is an infectious virus that has symptoms of fever, cold, cough, and respiratory distress. The virus can be spread by an infected person to a healthy person by droplets produced while coughing or sneezing. These droplets can directly reach a healthy person or live on surfaces for hours or even days. Many people infected with COVID-19 show mild symptoms and don't fall severely ill. They may not even realize that they're carrying the virus. However, COVID-19 has a high infectivity rate, a very high rate of transmission from one person to another. One contagious person is likely to spread the disease to at least 2 more people. This is why it is important that all of us should act as though we are infected with COVID-19 and take all the related precautions accordingly to reduce the rate of transmission to others. Even if you're a healthy young person without any symptoms, you might be carrying COVID-19 and inadvertently spread it to someone you love. High-risk populations are affected most acutely. People who are considered high risk are those over the age of 60 and people with low immunity or pre-existing chronic disease, such as heart disease, diabetes, or lung disease. You should also take special precautions if you've recently returned from abroad or have been in close contact with someone who has. Every one of us needs to be careful and take all preventive measures. আপনারা হয়তো শুনেছেন যে there's currently no known vaccine or treatment for the infection, since it was only discovered in the last few months. Many of the smartest scientists in the world are hard at work on these challenges. But for now, patients' symptoms are treated. Paracetamol for fever, antihistamine for stuffy or runny nose, and cough syrup for cold and cough. Up to 20% of people infected with COVID-19 might require hospitalization or the support of a ventilator. So, আমরা এই ইনফেকশনের স্প্রেডটা কিভাবে বন্ধ করতে পারি? First of all, বেশি করে হাত ধুবেন with soap and warm water, অন্তত 20 সেকেন্ডের জন্য. Or use a hand sanitizer frequently with at least 60% alcohol. আপনারা যতবারই বাইরে থেকে যখন বাসায় আসবেন, হাত ধুবেন। কেন? আপনারা যখন দরজা খুলেন, দরজার নব থেকে ভাইরাসটা আপনার কাছে আসতে পারে। আপনারা যখন লিফটে ওঠেন, আপনারা লিফটের বাটন টিপেন, ওই বাটন থেকে ভাইরাসটা আপনার কাছে আসতে পারে। যাই স্পর্শ করেন, ওইখান থেকে আপনার কাছে ভাইরাসটা আসতে পারে। আপনার মুখের কোনো অংশ ধরবেন না। Don't touch any part of your face. The virus can enter your body through your eyes, nose, or mouth. Practice social distancing. এটার মানে হচ্ছে that you should increase the physical space between you and other people by staying at least 3 feet away from each other, preferably 6 feet away from each other. Self-quarantine yourself. For the time being, এই সময়তে, to contain further outbreak of this virus, please আপনারা বাসায় থাকবেন and avoid contact with others. Praava Health-এ আমরা চেষ্টা করছি আপনাদেরকে সাপোর্ট দিতে যেভাবে আমরা পারি. If you think you might have some of the symptoms of coronavirus or COVID-19 and have questions on how to protect yourself and your family, call our short code at 10648 to talk to a family doctor and get a free screening. If you do need to see a doctor, je kono karone, we recommend that you book a video consultation. Please avoid coming physically to Praava or any healthcare facility to reduce your risk of contamination, unless you have an emergency or a doctor specifically refers you. To be tested for COVID-19, directly contact the government lab, IEDCR, or any government-approved hospital. Above all, please take care of yourselves and your loved ones, get enough sleep, exercise regularly at home, and maintain a balanced diet. All of this will help you to maintain a strong immune system. stay connected to your loved ones. আপনারা group video chat করতে পারেন আপনাদের friends or family এর সাথে, which is a fun way to check in and find out how everyone is doing. আমি নিজেও এটা করছি. This is a unique time. Let's try to make time for things we don't otherwise have time for in our hectic lives. আমি দোয়া করছি যে you all stay healthy and safe while our country braves this public health crisis. ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা একসাথে এই কঠিন সময়টা পার করতে পারবো আমরা যদি সবকিছু মেনে চলি. সব সময় মনে রাখবেন, প্রাভাতে আপনার শুধু আমাদের রোগী না, আপনার আমাদের নিজের পরিবার.